good morning. Welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today recipe is with our leftover rice. So today we are going to do instant Idli Upma. It's a very easy recipe, of course, with all the in-house kitchen ingredients, starting with mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, grated coconut, leftover idli along with curry leaves, cumin seeds, green chili and red chili. Of course, we'll be adding a little amount of lemon juice. So these are the main ingredients to do our instant leftover idli upma. So let us get into our recipe. The first step to do our instant idli upma is we are going to do in a very unique way by doing it in our coconut oil. Coconut oil will give a very nice aroma and taste. So try doing idli upma in coconut oil. So I've taken 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So let it start adding one by one all the ingredients and season it. So starting with a tablespoon of mustard seeds, a tablespoon of urad dal, a tablespoon of chana dal, followed with a tablespoon of cumin seeds. We are going to add 1 sliced green chili, followed with 1 red chili. You can add as per the spice. Along with this, I am going to add fresh curry leaves. The uniqueness of this recipe is we are doing it in coconut oil, which gives a very nice taste. So please try doing it in coconut oil. You will never again stop doing it. You will always try doing it only in coconut oil. So now at this stage, we have actually crumbled our leftover rice. We are going to add our crumbled leftover idli into this mixture. Add our leftover crumbled idli into the mixture, little by little, and mix it well. Idli Upma. I will show you another variant after some time, after few days. So this is one variety. So just mix everything well and close the lid and keep the gas on sim for 5 minutes. Let us open our lid. Yes, it's nice aroma. So now I'm going to add little salt. Already we have salt in the idli, but just a very little quantity of salt. Along with that, I'm going to add half lemon juice. Now I'm going to add fresh grated coconut into it and close the lid for a minute, and then we will see what is next. So friends, yes, our idli upma instant is ready to be served hot off. So we have done it with coconut oil, which is giving a fantastic aroma, followed with grated coconut as topping. So it's such a lovely dish. So please do try this recipe. So let us have this displayed. Friends, here goes our instant idli upma, where we did not waste our idli. At the same time, we did a different recipe instantly. So please do try this recipe doing only in coconut oil. This will give a very nice taste. So start watching my video. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.